All right, now on to exercise 4. So this is the last one in the key of F, and we'll pick a new strum pattern. Let's do number 18. So it's in 2/4, 1 and 2 and down, up, down, up. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 1 and